Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning, and I'm going to work. It's like 4:48. Dang, it's 4:48. I'm gonna be a little late. I gotta stop and grab coffee. It'll be fine. Oh man. It's 37 degrees with a 15-mile-an-hour wind. I've got on normal cargo pants and my cowboy boots because I'm going to work. And I've got a t-shirt, a flannel, a sweatshirt, and then my riding jacket. Plus my gloves. My riding jacket and gloves, though, aren't really winter, stuff. But I'm not going far, only a couple miles. Every time I slow down, my thingy-majigger fogs up. But at least I remembered to put on my clear one today, because yesterday I did not, and the wind was a bit stronger, but technically it was a little warmer. So, I don't know, I guess it evened out. But I didn't wear my flannel yesterday. And had to keep putting my visor up because I couldn't see anything. So, that's fun. Oh, man. Yesterday was my first time night riding. Night rider. Oh, I'm old. Alright, let's get coffee and stuff real quick. Morning. Oh, my hands are numb. Yeah, these aren't winter gloves. Let's grab my lunch. Oh, cantaloupe. Cantaloupe's nice. I like cantaloupe. Get some cantaloupe and crappy gas station sushi, because, if all they have is a spicy tuna, I do not trust those. Son of a biscuit eater. I need something for lunch. I don't have time to make anything. Let's see here. Is this turkey? White cheddar cracker chia. Trio. Learn how to read, dude. That works. And some meat sticks. That'll be good. That'll get me through the day. Oh, yesterday I had to get a Monster. I barely slept at all the night before. Oh, I didn't have to get to work as early. Like my light, guys? Is that pretty cool? I like it. Okay, coffee cup and water. Let's get her done. Take that off. Yes, this is ice. 49 cents, but that's only if you don't bring your own cup. So we put this back in my backpack, and I am not stealing it. I also have a water in there from yesterday that I did not drink because this was enough. Well, because I got a Monster. I was so tired. I usually just have coffee and water. Since I'm trying to lose weight, I don't want to drink my calories. But yeah, I had to have that Monster yesterday. Oh, but you got calories in your coffee. Especially since you don't drink it black. Yes, Mom, I know. But, you know what? I need something. I can't go through life completely uncaffeinated. That would be weird. Coffee doesn't even really wake me up. My ADHD, like, it doesn't care. It's just like the ritual of it, I guess. Helps me start my day. I don't know. Because riding a bike in 37-degree weather with improper clothes is good enough to wake me up. So, now I'm getting hot. That's what she said. And she's sexy. Cow is sexy. Where's the clip? Come on, dude, I gotta go. Things to do, people to see, or is it people to see or people to do and things to see? I don't know. Alright. Let's freeze our ass off for a couple miles, or a mile. Let's go. That was loud. I'm good, right? Bumpity bump. Alright. Holy shit, it's cold. Top, I'm gonna freeze to death. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Almost there, almost there. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. How is this still fun when I'm freezing my balls off? Oh, I made it. I made it, I made it, I made it, I made it. Well, I don't know if my screen's fogging up or if it's my glasses. Both. Okay, looks like we're driving this this morning, I think. Pretty sure it's a straight truck, so. Let's get this beast started so it warms up a little. Oh yeah, 10 speed, need to push in the clutch. What a pain. I say that like I don't like the 10 speeds, but I actually like these trucks better than, especially the Peterbilt. It's got a 10. The other one's got a dorky 9-speed, and it's annoying. I prefer 18-speed, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. Plus, who would put an 18-speed in a little straight truck? Well, I mean, I would.
"12 sleepless hours later."
Oh, yeah! Yeah! Oh. I think I need to adjust my right mirror again. Oh, so good. So good. I've been dying to do a zoomie all day. Oh, yeah. So flickable. So nice, so nice. So I took my bike, my sun visor off, or reflective, or whatever, sunglass one, and I wore my sunglasses today and my glasses. It's super hard to get them like in and out of the helmet. I mean, the helmet's still really new, so none of the, it's not really broken in yet, but it's a little bit of a hassle. And my sunglasses are like Ray-Bans that I got, like, their prescription, but I got them like, oh gosh, 12 years ago. My prescription hasn't changed much, so I haven't gotten new ones. Well, the thing's like the part that goes around your ear, I forget what they're called. And I used to work on lens crafters. The ear pieces, whatever, they're kind of floppy, and it makes it even harder to get in the helmet. Like, what the? It's like, what? Yeah, getting better at that little rev matching. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah. Wish I could go faster in town. I got 30 minutes before I need to go home for dinner. I might take a 20-minute ride. I know, the perfect place to go. I'm probably confusing that guy behind me. Yeah, that was good. I was a little overzealous on that upshift. That's okay. The throttle's pretty touchy. Like, oh, turn off your turn signal. That's a good idea. So it's a little touchy. So since I think I'll add this on to the little bit I did before, we'll do a little zoom down this way. $25. See, it's 30 on that main road, but I usually end up going 25 everywhere. And then when I go on that main little road, people get mad at me for going 25 instead of 30. It's like, I forget. We're creatures of habit. Down this way. Good little ride. Just never come out this way of the town, so we started teaching my girls how to drive, and it's a nice little drive. It dead ends at a crossroads, and you get to go through some trees. I think it's a little windy, but not nothing crazy, not like in California, which is where me and my wife are both from. But yeah, it's a nice little jaunt down here. I'll go down here and go home, come back, go home. Doggos and babies and doggos. Ducks, or geese. Geese. Yeah. Yeah, those are geese, not ducks. I know ducks are smaller. We had ducks. If you ever have ducks, they're kind of a pain in the butt. Kind of a pain in the butt. They definitely like their water, and if you have chickens too, housing them together isn't the best. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, I haven't opened her up that much. Like, I mean, I've done a couple zoomies, right? But like, I haven't gone past 6,000 RPMs like I did on the way home, because you know she's still in the break-in period. I don't really want to go ham and go all the way to 10, that's for sure. I've been trying to alter the RPMs, you know. But other than that, I obviously haven't been taking it super easy. No, but there's nobody out here. Still windy. I really like this bike. People keep saying it's slow, like, well, yeah, compared to a 600 or a liter bike, but there's no tracks in the state of Iowa. There's none, so. And plus, I'm still technically, you know, I'm a beginner street rider. I mean, I've ridden, like, first bike I ever rode was a 1986 250R three-wheeler out in Glamis. That's what I cut my teeth on, that thing. Woo! I sailed that thing. Sorry, I'm gonna cough. So I sailed that thing over a dune. Like, I went up and there's a witch's eye, so I kind of got high centered, and my brother's like, just give it some gas. Do it again and give it some gas. So I did that. I went, woo! And I launched that thing. And I didn't know anything about jumping. I still don't really, except unless it's BMX. I used to jump my BMX bike. Anyway, ADHD brain. So I like fly forward, right? And I land halfway down the dune, and then the bike comes tumbling and rolls over me. I think I sprained my ankle. I don't know. I never did go to the doctor or nothing, but holy crap, that was fun. Broke the plastics on the bike. I never fixed them. I was 13. I ghetto fixed them when he was selling it for him. I used hot glue and popsicle sticks, I think, to glue the crack back together. He's like, why didn't you do that a year ago? I'm like, well, I don't know. ADHD. Oh, we didn't know what that was back then, though. Yeah, so. And I used to ride this old 125, probably early 80s. So this was the 90s when I did this stuff, because I was born in 83. So, but it was probably an early 80s dirt bike. It was gray. That's all I remember. I don't even know what kind. Maybe it was a Yamaha or something. I just know it wasn't a Honda. It was like gray. I used to ride it up and down the cul-de-sac. That was fun. And then we used to have a hog. And what I mean by a hog is if you've seen Dumb and Dumber, and we had one of those. But when my house burnt down about 10 years ago, I'm pretty sure the neighbors raided our garage and took what little possessions we had left, including my hog. And my grandpa gave that to me, and I lost what other things I had of my grandpa in the fire, so... Awesome. Gotta love people, you know? They're just full of sunshine and rainbows. I love people. They're so fun. No, I never talk to them, and I don't have any friends. I'm gonna have friends now. I'm gonna make bike friends. I got 2 good friends. One good buddy, he's still in Cali. Sean, what up, yo? My brother from another mother. But he'll be my bud until we die, so he's one of those guys, you know. And my other buddy's Jason Rowe. He's got like 3 3-wheelers now. Those things you can't even, they're getting harder to find. I see some kids, you could turn some dirt bikes into a 3-wheeler now. I'm like, ooh, that is intriguing. Though I have nowhere to ride. I mean, there's a little dirt track in Foot Edge, which is 30 minutes away, that people ride at. I don't think they do races. It's just like a track you can go, you know, do stuff. Let's go to 4th. See, I haven't been on a bike in so long. It just, that sound, 4,500 RPMs just sounds like it's too much, but it's not. Could speed up a little bit so I can actually lean in these corners. I'll go 60. Ain't no one here. Ooh. Can't you smell that smell? Ooh, that smell. The smell that's around you. My field, they just coated it with something. It wasn't the stuff we were spraying today. I know what that smells like. I don't even know what the heck we were spraying. It was some type of nitrogen. You know, like feed the plants nitrogen. They need it. It helps them grow. Yeah, the company I work for sells all the farm chemicals and stuff, fertilizers, pesticides, all that lovely stuff that's in our corn and soybeans. But on a huge scale like they're doing, I wonder how hard it would be to go organic. Why am I going 40? Keep talking and slowing down. It's a nice place. Ooh, a little bit of a gust there. Yeah, I guess I'm doing what would be considered a hard break-in and not babying it, you know. I mean, I understand where all that came from, but the machines that make an engine are so exact now. I'm so used to driving bigger vehicles, I don't really need to slow for this corner. Do a little counterweight. Why? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Now you know why not. 10 points to Gryffindor if you, or Slytherin, whoever your house is. Yeah, muddy. Never know. It could be gravel or I don't know, some type of crap they're spreading all over the fields as slick as snotted in a doorknob. Hey, if you know where both those quotes are from, you get 10 points to your house of choice. Sheesh. You guys are gonna know I'm kind of a dork if I keep saying stuff like that. I need to name my bike. That's the next thing. Oh, I got frame sliders I got to put on too. It's been so windy, and I might have to wait till this weekend. It's supposed to be really nice on Saturday. Sunday is supposed to be decent, but kind of cloudy, with a chance of meatballs. No, it's just gonna be kind of cloudy. So, and I am getting movie quotes from everywhere. It's my ADHD. Anyway, so I need to name her. I was thinking maybe River, but it doesn't really go with the green. And I'm gonna put a monster sticker on the windshield here. Oh, I think that's where my rattle's coming from too. I'm gonna stick some foam under there, but I'm gonna paint. I got some paint coming. It'll be here Thursday, so I'm gonna paint this black. I'm gonna black it out, and I'm gonna put a monster sticker on the front like a true squid. Right? Isn't that a squid thing to do? That was cool. Oh, that was a little too much. Careful of the gravel. That's like a big deal out here because we'll get farm equipment and stuff going down these roads and putting gravel on the... Oh, that was way smooth. All right, legs cramped. Crampy cramp. Alright, let's head back to the abode. Oh, you're gonna cut me off? No, thank you. Appreciate ya. Bumpity bump. I should take the bike on the walking trail. That'd be funny. No, intrusive thoughts, intrusive thoughts. Don't take a bath with the toaster. It won't be fun. Nice day for a toaster bath. I can't help but do a little flick and flack, flick back and forth, a little swervy swerve. It's super fun. Even at slower, like, why is that so fun? Dude, these guys in the garage wave at me almost every time I go by when I go down the street. They're good people. Good people. So I'm gonna go down 2 streets because my son's at the park. I forget which street it's in between. Well, I'm almost home, so thanks guys for hanging out, and I guess we'll catch you on the flip side. I'll make some more videos. Go, 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 go. I didn't have to put my foot down. Okay, alright, there we go, guys. Nice, beautiful sunset sort of shot right in my eyes for you for the goodbye. Like and subscribe if that's something you want to do. If not, that's fine too. Asta.